Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to today's video. Today we'll be talking about the Google Pixel Fold oversaturation issues while watching videos on YouTube. Alright guys, one thing I've also noticed is when you're watching YouTube videos and you go ahead and you put it on the highest quality, and then look at the colors.
Now, there is more stuff than just the iPhone that was mentioned at this Wonderlust event that Apple.
You see that total saturation that it got in color? I'm not sure why this phone is tending to do that. Kind of as a video creator, it's kind of annoying. All right, so let's say you're gonna watch a video, right? Let's click on this one, for example. All right, so we go here and then we go to, and then you go to quality, you go to advanced, go to 10, so like the highest refresh rate, the highest form of, and then look at that. Like, why does the Google Pixel Fold do that on YouTube? It doesn't do it on any other phone, but if you notice, now if I were to go back onto the quality, go to advanced, and I go back to 140p, take a look at the colors. See, look, like, why is it doing that? I found that pretty annoying. I'm not sure why, Google would be doing that, but yeah, I'm not a big fan of that. I would say that's honestly it's kind of like you're paying so much money for a good phone, and it's like, I'm not sure why it would do that. And it does that on both the back screen, and on the front screen. And I'll show you guys here as well. Go here, go to quality, go to advanced, and then watch the colors. See that shift in color? I'm not sure why it's doing that, but it's so annoying. And again, if you come here and do it like that, adjust and then go to like 1440p, watch the color shift again.
And it turns out that is actually Apple's strategy with this phone. The more I use this phone, the more I see Apple's textbook late mover advantage strategy coming into play here. They're going to take something we've literally already seen before and then do it the Apple way. So on the outside, let's see.
But alright you guys, that's where I will wrap up the video. Let me know if you guys are having the same issues with it. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure to leave a comment in the comment section down below if you're having the same issues. See you guys in the next one. Peace.